Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the home screen and icons on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. First, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you want to customize the home screen and the icons, all you have to do is pinch your phone right here. Now what you guys want to do is go to home screen settings. And here we have the home screen. We can use the standard one, but I would recommend going for the drawer one, so you can have something on your home screen that looks good. Here we have default view by categories or all, and drawer layout could be at 5 columns. So as you guys can see now, there is 4. Now we can change it to 5 and it will look like this. Of course it looks a little bit scuffed because we change it, but we can click on apply and we got it. Now what else can we do is we can simply go over and adjust the style. So we can customize the widgets, of course, but we're gonna go to wallpapers and style. Here what you guys can do is go to icons. You can change the icons just like that, and here we can also change the wallpaper. For an example, you can add another one, and now you can click on apply. As you guys can see, now the phone looks much better, much smoother, and even though it has less colors, it looks way more aesthetic than it was before. And that's how you guys can easily change those icons, how you can change the labels to get rid of the text at the bottom of the app icon. Of course, the layout settings, so 4 or 5 columns, and that's how you guys can do it all. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.